We present to you the new activities for adults based on real-life situations that can happen during a trip. These are activities designed with high ecological value as they recreate actions that people perform in a travel context. Additionally, all the activities use images of real objects, which makes it easier to understand the activity and helps transfer what is learned in the session to real-life situations. Next, I'll explain a bit more about these activities. In the activity, Prepare Your Suitcase, it simulates the person getting their suitcase ready before starting a trip. First, a piece of clothing is shown for you to find. From that point on, different pieces of clothing will appear on the screen, and the goal is to select only the item shown at the beginning, ignoring the rest. The activity, Order a Taxi, simulates the moment of looking for a taxi to get around. The person must stay alert to the stimuli and respond whenever they see a taxi or hear the word taxi, ignoring other vehicles and sounds. The activity, Don't Miss Your Flight, takes place in an airport where you hear announcements over the loudspeaker. Throughout the exercise, you'll hear different announcements related to flights or boarding gates. The goal is to respond only when you hear the specified instruction, ignoring the rest of the messages. The last activity, Find Your Luggage, recreates baggage claim at the airport. Different suitcases will appear on the conveyor belt, and the user must select a specific type of suitcase. At certain moments, a signal will sound indicating that you need to switch and start selecting a different type, adapting to this new instruction. With these activities, you'll be stimulating cognitive functions like attention, but you'll also be working on daily living skills, such as advanced leisure activities. These activities are recommended for people with mild cognitive impairment, dementia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or acquired brain injury. With these activities, cognitive stimulation becomes much more relevant to people's real lives, making it easier to transfer what they've learned to their everyday routines.